Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone lock screen goes black while charging after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again, reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 2. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for a few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Solution number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.